I'm a weak woman because I have a husband with a weak heart. Salamat sa pag-alaga mo sa akin at lalo't higit sa pagkaroon mo ng bukas na pag-isip upang ako ay laging uunawain. Mahal na mahal kita, ayaw lang palabi o gara. Today is your birthday, the day you came into existence, the day that enabled you and me to meet, and that makes it the best day in the world. I am happy to have found love in you, someone so caring and true. Today is your birthday. All the happiness and cheer comes in your way. I seal my wish with love and kiss. May you dwell in a perfect bliss. Thank you, Lord. Unti-unti nang natutupad ang mga pangarap namin. Itatama ko lahat kung may mali man, kahit magalit ikaw. You really
Dano fulan nakagbasa
are
pa.
too good to be true. My life wouldn't be the same without you. So heaven,
Happy birthday, happy
Ato bagas.
birthday, happy birthday